bow makeup look. I am obsessed. I saw this inspiration and I thought I have to do a tutorial for it. So this is my version of the bow makeup look. You really want the bow to pop, so my makeup is quite simple with neutral colors today. Here I'm using Kumquat Lip Tint. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using our neutral Cappuccino palette. I want it neutral, but of course I still want it to pop. Using the rose color as blush. And we're going to be drawing a little bit of freckles on. And do a little accentuating my eyes and a little gloss. After you're done with the makeup, you just take some ribbon. I bought some blue ones just for this video. Tie it into a bow shape and glue it on with lash glue. And here's the final look. Will I go out with this? Probably not with the ribbons on because I feel like I look silly. But these ribbon tiers are just giving. I love it. It's super cute. Let me know what you think about this makeup look. And if there are more trends you'd like to see me try, please let me know in the comments.